Okay, so tell me that I don't look freaking crazy right now. Like, look at the difference. Cute, not cute, cute, not cute. Just kidding. Okay, so how I start doing my brows. I use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia in Ebony, and then I just, you know, the usual, just brush them out, and then I go in and I just pretty much create like hair-like strokes, you know, and I like underline the bottom first, so. And then I just flick it up lightly with a light hand. You can't go in with the hard ass hand because it's gonna look ugly as fuck. So I mean, even if you do go in with even if you do go in with the light hand, shit, you could just brush that shit out and then it'll look clean. And my bad if I'm not talking, it's because I'm trying to concentrate. I had to check to see if that shit was recording because I would have been so pissed. Like so, and then after I use the Brow Wiz, I go in with the Dip Brow by Anastasia in Ebony as well, and then I just grab another eyebrow brush. This brush is by e.l.f. by the way. Shit, it's like $2, some shit like that. And then I only fill in the ends. I don't know why. I just think it looks cute like that. I mean, you can do it however you want, but this is how I do it. Yeah. And then I go in with the concealer to clean them up with the MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer in NC25. And then I just pump a little bit on my hand, not a shitload, just like smaller than a dime size, you feel me? And then I use this brush to outline my brow. It's by B Bella and 133. And after that, I go in with this brush to blend it out. It's B Bella 2 and it's in 114. Oh, I hear my little baby. Give me a second. Let me go check on him real quick. you grow back. Okay, so now that that's pretty much blended, I go back in with the Brow Wiz just to fill in the spots that look empty or whatever. And then I do the same with the dip brow. And then after I'm done, I go in with this, which is Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia. Oh, hold on. Okay. And then I just set my brows. The fuck? And there you go. Now you got some bomb ass brows. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be posting pretty much a lot more, so subscribe to my channel please, so this shit can grow, and we can get this shit popping. So yeah, make sure you share this video too to any of your homegirls that don't know how to do their brows, you know. No, I'm just kidding. No, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.